Hey guys, so then let's learn how to install apps on iPhone without Apple ID password. So basically hit a number into your settings and head on over to your iTunes and App Store by searching for iTunes. Click on that. So basically, I'd like you to view and search for the password settings. But basically, if it's not here, you could actually head on over onto your app downloads over here. As you can see, it's still not there, but you have to double check and see if where that specific setting is. So I'm going to choose and view my iCloud settings and view if my media and purchases should be there. Okay, perfect. So click on your password settings. All right. So basically over here, I want you to click on over here and always require a password and basically uncheck that. So click on that again, or basically require after 15 minutes when purchasing. But you could also enable that if you'd like to just click on Done heading over to Meet and Purchases again, click on Password Settings. And as you can see here, it is now unchecked. So basically you could always click on Never require a password or required after 15 minutes. So basically you just within that 15 minutes, you could still download an application without any password. Of course, since as you can see here onto my free downloads, my required password is not really checked, so required on the Apple App Store. Okay guys, think of ways from watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.